Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for coming back. My new and old subscribers, you are all welcome. If this is your first time, please go ahead and click on the red subscribe button down below. Afterwards, you click on the bell icon. That way you get notified whenever I upload any new video. So today's video is going to be all about this plantain chips. So I'll be using this gadget that I got. It's super easy to use and it saves you time. Like the finished product, it's so amazing. You're gonna love it. So you can use the other grater if you don't have this other one that I'm using, but I'll prefer you use this one. It gives you a nice finish look. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to peel my unripe plantain. Then I'm going to add the unripe plantain. When I'm done peeling it, I'm going to put it straight in the water. So the reason I'm going to put it in the water is for the plantain to to keep the color intact, so that it won't start getting brown. When you peel your plantain and leave it for some time, the color will start changing. So we don't want that for this recipe. So I'm going to be dipping it inside the water, not warm water, just cold normal tap water. So then afterwards, when I'm done peeling all of my plantain, I'm going to be using this grater or slicer. So it's really easy and it saves time. It's super fast. So I've been using this for quite some time now, and I found out that it was really good for plantain chips, and also you can use it for potato chips or whatever chips you want to do. Use this grater. It's really good, guys. So it has so many components and so many blades. You can use it for tomato, your vegetables, stuff like that. So it's really thin. So I'm going to show you how it looks. So this how it looks. It's super thin, guys. So when you fry this, it's going to be very crispy. So when I'm done with grating the plantain, I'm going to be heating up my oil in my pan. So now that my oil is nice and hot, I'm going to be adding some chunks of onion. So the reason I'm adding this onion is just to get that onion flavor inside my oil. So then I'll go ahead and start putting my plantain in the hot oil. So make sure you separate the plantain with your fingers so that they don't stick together, so it fries really well. So I'll be frying this on a medium heat. So make sure you stir it for it to cook evenly. So when the plantain is ready, it's going to give it this nice sharp yellow color. So then it's ready. So if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and click on the red subscribe button down below. That way you get notified whenever I upload any new video. So look how thin this looks. It looks really thin, and it's very crunchy. You can also spice your plantain chips up with some spice, with some cayenne pepper, or you can also use some onion powder just immediately after you take it out from the hot oil. It's best you spice it up as soon as you take it out from the hot oil. So guys, this is all I have for you for today. So make sure you click on the red subscribe button down below. Afterwards, you click on the bell icon. I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.